Okay, guys, so we're on the boat. Jazz is in the back. Hey, say hey. Oh no, oh no. We need to steer. We need to steer. Oh, Jess is doing the work now. Okay, let me take the picture. Oh, oh. Okay, guys, we're finally at the freaking cabin. Look, this is our little island. Cute, cute, cute little Swedish cabins with the red. Okay, taking off the clothes. Look at the little dock. Ooh, look at this. The view. Wow. But yeah, now we're gonna get this little canoe on the island.
It's okay.
And we got the canoe up. Maybe house, bathroom, kitchen, living room, kitchen, or like sink, bedroom, bunk beds, bathroom. Just grilling, making us dinner, hot dogs, pretty view with the sunset and the hammock. Jazz and the hammock.